Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new tangent intersect features in TPC Desktop 2018, and more particularly at an intersection we call a tangent intersect. So I've got a curve return in this slot down here, and I've got a curve return in this slot up here. And I want to create a line that is tangent both to this curve and to this curve. So the location of each tangent is dependent on the starting point or the location of the other tangent. So it's a fair amount of math involved if we do it manually. Let's take a look at what Traverse PC does with this. So the tool we want is Kogo Tangent Intersect. It's different than the intersect because it works a little differently. So I'm going to choose tangent intersect instead of intersect. And then the easiest way for me to set this up is to just use the double chevron here and pick this return over here. And it fills in the PC, PT, and the curve information. Do the same thing with the other chevron. And once again, it fills in the PC, PT, and curve information. Now, neither one of these, curve 1 or curve 2, are using these radius points. These are just some extra points I computed. Internally, Traverse PC is going to compute these, though. It says I've got a PC and PT here, so I'm going to compute the radius point I need to do this computation. So it's going to do that sort of behind the scenes. And then look what it did. It created a left int 1L and a left int 2R. And the text here says if we look from 1 to 2, so if we come up here to this curve and look down to the curve we specified as curve 2, then I've got intersections to the left and to the right. So the int 1L is this point over here, and if I save and plot that, I'm going to see there's my intersect. Same way down here, I can save this, plot this, and here's my intersect. So I know which intersection I'm dealing with at each point here just by how they're named here. And of course, then I can come in and rename these points however I want. And then for those of you that just kind of want to see how this works, I'm going to draw a line from the insert point of that one. Let's go ahead and draw that line now. I'm going to create a line from the insert point here to the insert point here. So you can kind of see how that tangency works. If I were to extend either of these lines, then Traverse PC would draw those lines, and they would be tangent to the curve at this point. And of course, the other part of this definition is that Traverse PC also honors the fact that this tangent intersect creates this right angle right here. Okay, so this is always a 90-degree angle at the point of tangency, and that's true of the computations that Traverse PC does as well. So there you have it, a real quick overview of the tangent intersect using the tangent intersect tools in TPC Desktop 2018.